Almost.
Yeah.
Leg bend right over here. Wow. Tilt your head up and back. How's that hip doing? As a difference from getting the adjustments.
Wow, I even feel like more range over here on this side.
That's cool. You see we're trying to accomplish lymphatic drainage and mobility of the soft tissues that have been, let's say, cut. And ideally, this should feel a little bit different after bringing blood flow to the area, providing loosened tissues. You might have way more sensation after doing this too. The scar tissue is my #1 priority to loosen that up for you so you can have a loose and functional leg again.